I don't know what else to tell y'all. I'm one of those girls, like, maybe when I don't have it, I be feeling so unprepared. If I could take my whole backpack in the club or wherever I'm at, I would. So you already know I'm definitely one of those girls who has the carry-on, the check bag. I need options. Is that a cat? It is. Oh, listen, y'all, please bear with me because I went, so I went shopping. I did a little mini shopping trip, kind of mini. I didn't get it recorded in the store because I haven't done it in a while. I'm kind of not comfortable yet, but just a few things back there. And well, let me get my bag. Well, a lot of things right here. Okay, it's my ceiling. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all what I got from XOXO. Okay, you know your girl loves the makeup and girly stuff and perfume and all that. Hello. I opened a couple of things already, but this, listen, can y'all see what that is? It's called the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools. I have like 500 flat irons and now I have 501. But the thing with this, it was on sale. So instead of being 150, it was like 75 or something like that. And guess what? I've been wanting this. If you from the OG IG, like when IG first came out, like all the girls with the soft flowy jet black bust downs had this flat iron, and I used to want it so bad. And I don't know, I didn't feel comfortable ordering it online back then. I don't know why, don't judge me or whatever, but yeah, I always wanted it, so now I have it and I can't wait to try it out. And that's so crazy because that was like that flat iron was like a big thing like back then. And then the stylists, I believe they would like partner with Paul Mitchell and they would get the specific colors that they like the pinks, the turquoises, and the light blues, and like just a array of other colors. But I always wanted one, but I just didn't trust people because I really thought people were scamming for real back then. So with getting that, of course, you know, I had to also get the OG super skinny serum by Paul Mitchell as well. When I tell you, this stuff used to do wonders for my bundles, and I still have some at home, but right now I'm out of the way. I'm like maybe an hour and 30 minutes from home, so I can't even go home just to get, you know, certain stuff. So I just bought a big boy again, whatever. But this stuff, a little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. And sorry if I sound rushed because I'm afraid my battery might go dead, and I want to catch this little snippet before I go to opening everything, just to do a small shopping haul. I don't have my makeup bag with me, so you can never have too many beauty blenders. You know, y'all know this is the Ulta brand. Nothing special, but does the same, gets the job done. I might have 20 eyeshadow palettes that I don't even use. I mean, I just used to buy eyeshadow palettes because the colors are so freaking pretty. So now I just like keep them up for display. But this one was so cute. It's called Color Pop by the Rose, and I really don't like these like small off-brand eyeshadow palettes, but I was in the store and I put on like the orange. It's this like orange glittery one. I am a sucker for fall color things. Like those fall colors get me every time. But well, you ain't gonna be able to see, so I ain't even gonna waste your time. But this right here is so cute, and I can't wait to put it on. I don't know if y'all remember, but from my other video, I was out of hyaluronic acid, so from Good Molecules, so I bought some more of that. Oh, I'm talking too fast, but we gotta get this stuff in here. MAC, oh my god, I was always an OG MAC girly. I love MAC. Like MAC just did it for me when it came to like their concealers and their pomades. Like that's when I fell in love with makeup. So every now and then I have to re-up on a couple of things from MAC. But I was just picking up some looking at their I needed some setting spray, and I wanted to try a different brand because I have all different brands, and my absolute favorite would be Overnighter. Who is Urban Decay? Urban Decay's Overnighter, but I wanted something else, so just to see what's out there. So while browsing the MAC area, they have this, it's called MAC Studio Fix Eyewear, but it's an all over face pen. When I tell y'all, why didn't I come up with this? Because it's like super portable, mobile, whatever like that. Like I love it. I love it. And I got that in the color NC45. That color does wonders for my skin. It almost just, you would think it's my skin. They made that color for me. And then like I said, I was looking for a primer, so I wanted to try their Fix It Plus Stay Over, and so I ended up purchasing that. And I tried it on the store and I liked it, so we gonna see. Oh yeah, and I bought another beauty blender. Just it's an e.l.f. version. I liked the color. It was this fall color, that burgundy. Y'all, I love it. So cute, so cute. And I was watching an influencer, I can't remember their name or whatever like that. I just be on TikTok scrolling like everybody else, and she, instead of using the eyeshadow palettes, she was using the eyeliners to give the color pop under the eye. And I've always known to do that, but I wasn't intending on buying an eyeshadow palette. And I know that greens and blues, those different colors look really great on my eyes. They bring out the brown. And yeah, so it's Ulta Beauty's Majestic Mint. Ooh, do y'all remember when dang, I can't remember the name now. That's a whatever. But anywho, yeah, so that's that. Let me put all this stuff back in here. I just spent money at Ulta, like, well, I was at Sephora, but like last week I went and purchased their Versace. I love Versace perfume, like these versions, but I went and purchased, where is it? Where is it? Damn it, where is it? I can't find it. Is it in here? I might have left it at home. But I went and got the purple version of this, basically. That new smell. Oh my God, it smells so good. But them people need to, Versace, if you ever watch my video, I love y'all perfumes. I have 3 bottles of these and 2 bottles of the light blue color one. And I just bought the purple one. And the purple one, well, I can't choose a favorite. I love all of them. But the purple one, it smells so good. I smell like a pack of Skittles whenever I'm going somewhere with it. But the smell don't last. It be on you for like every bit of maybe 2 hours. That's not good. Not for what I spent for this. These last much longer, but still, y'all need to work on that. Just FYI. No shade, but you know, I'm gonna spend my coin. I want it to go far. So yeah, y'all need to do that. And let me tell y'all, I bought this too, y'all. I'm so disappointed in myself. I need to get it together because I be moving too fast. I had purchased this because I be on the go. This simple mirror, and I only got to use it maybe a couple of times. Let me tell y'all, it's so pretty, but look what happened. I cracked it. This mirror was $80. I cracked it right down the middle. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. I'm not throwing this away. I'm gonna still use it because it's so cute and compact. I'm mad that I cracked it. I bought this from Neiman's for like times like this when I need to do my makeup. That lighting is so good. Y'all see my forehead? It's so big. I just got my hair done today, but it rained a little bit outside and I done got caught. Like, I just know that ain't who I think it is. Anywho, it's so messy over here at my grandma's house. It be so messy. But anywho, I just wanted to show y'all that. Ooh, let me turn back on that light because it was doing me some justice. I just wanted to show y'all my mini haul before my camera went dead and before I went to unpacking all this stuff, because I'm trying to get back in my vlogging space, my blogging mode or whatever like that. And literally I shop too much to not vlog it or whatever. Like I buy too much unnecessary things or whatever. Yeah, so I bought this too when I bought last week when I bought that Versace perfume. I bought Fenty Beauty's Bum Heat. When I tell y'all, my lips look like can y'all see me? Oh, I also did the camera focus. It did. Okay, let me turn on this light because I was not prepared for this. Okay, do y'all see, like, do y'all see my hair? I don't want this. I don't know the new rules for YouTube or whatever, but let me put it like right here because the light is too lighty. All right, do y'all see like my ooh, let me put that right there. Do y'all see it? Like I went and flat ironed it, half-assed it, but you know I didn't have a comb. I used my brush, but do y'all see it? You see what this work do? Ooh, it's getting hot in here. We didn't turn on the what's the name? But do y'all see how it finessed? Like, girl. And it smells so good. That's that Paul Mitchell. I just wanted y'all to see like the results. But since we here, your girl, I always come where I never leave my house without smell good body care. I told y'all. This is my favorite deodorant. And let me see what else I got. Man, I even got lace glue. I don't even play. Like I keep like everything in my bag. Like this, I don't play. Like these little bags inside my bags. Like I need to go home and decorate a little bit, but I keep everything in my bags. Like I don't play. Stationary stuff. Like I don't. A little TMI, but yeah, I keep everything in my bag, honey. I don't play. My wallet stay full. I don't play. Like when it comes to stuff like that, I gotta like. I always like I'm the go-to friend for any type of hygiene products and stuff. Like I gotta have my stuff with me, or I just don't feel like prepared. You never know. See, like now, I would have had to go buy all that stuff over deodorant. What else I got in here? Lotion. Ooh. Hand sanitizer. And I literally took everything out. This ain't even half. But yeah, I don't even play, and I need some lotion for my feet. Yeah, I keep all this stuff. I don't like not having. I hate to see people. I hate not to smell good. I hate to see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I almost spilled it. Like I gotta have that stuff. I don't know what else to tell y'all. I'm one of those girls. Like, baby, when I don't have it, I be feeling so unprepared. If I could take my whole backpack in the club or wherever I'm at, I would. So you already know I'm definitely one of those girls who has to carry on the check bag. I need options. Is that a cat? It is. So yeah, it's Bath and Body Works. Ooh, my mirror went dead, but it's okay. It's cracked. I can't believe I cracked this $80 mirror. Like that's, it is what it is. Can't cry, it's filming. But yeah, I definitely need something definitely. But yeah, I feel like I need that stuff. Like I feel so incomplete without it. My skin, I gotta have lotion, oil. I can't be without it, like on my skin every day. That's why my skin is so soft. I literally can feel when I haven't put on those things. I don't, I can't not have it. See, lotion. This has got to be my favorite lotion. They used to have one, it was called Gold Bond Moisturizer. I'm addicted to that smell, and I think I have 2 bottles left that I'm like scared to use. Something about the smell makes me feel really good. It's like nostalgia. My Chanel. I got 2 of these. I keep one with me just in case. And I even got the Chanel hand cream, the lotion. I'm not playing with y'all. You can see it. I don't know, but somebody gifted. No, this is not it.
I have to change my outfit.
Oh, wait. Wait. I don't want you to sit on food.
Outfit.
This is my baby sister. Girl. Yeah, I'm vlogging, huh? Y'all see her? You look cute. But yeah, so I don't even know what it's, I forgot. Anywho, it's called Daily Refreshing Spray. I might have just bought it. Somebody gave me like a little basket full of like these things.
I feel like I had to put on shorts and stuff because I was not liking that outfit.
That's okay. That happens. Yeah, you look cute. I like that little bag. I love little dainty bags on other people, but I hate them on myself. I just don't know what it is. I'm not a little bag girl. Like, I have to have a big bag.
And it's cute with my little black and white in it, little persona.
Yeah, that's very cute. I like the pearls. The pearls scream classy. They give classy girl. Classy lady. Yeah, I like that. But anywho, this is the end of my vlog. My camera's going dead. I'll be back for more. This is the second back, or third back of many.
I probably sound like a man on there.
Hi. You look like a man too.
Come on, let's go.
All right.